Are Naproxen and Naprosyn the same? No, Naproxen and Naprosyn are not the same, but they are related. Naproxen is the generic name for a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, that is commonly used to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and lower fever. It is available under different brand names, and Naprosyn is one of them. Naprosyn is a specific brand name for Naproxen. It is a type of naproxen that is manufactured and marketed by a pharmaceutical company. Other brand names for Naproxen include Aleve, Anaprox, and Midol Extended Relief. While both Naproxen and Naprosyn contain the same active ingredient, which is naproxen, they may have slight differences in terms of dosage form, strength, and formulation. For example, Naprosyn may come in different dosages, such as 250 mg or 500 mg tablets, while Naproxen under a different brand name may have a different dosage form, such as a liquid or a gel capsule. It is important to note that regardless of the brand name, the effectiveness and safety of Naproxen as a medication remain the same. The choice between Naproxen and a specific brand like Naprosyn may depend on factors such as personal preference, availability, and affordability. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or pharmacist to determine the most suitable option for a specific individual. In summary, Naproxen and Naprosyn are similar medications, but Naprosyn is just one brand name for Naproxen. They share the same active ingredient and purpose, but may differ in terms of dosage form and other factors depending on the specific brand.